Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, today we will explain the notes of chapter the nervous system. So here, first one is choose the correct options. So which of these is the largest part of human brain? So that is cerebrum. And which of the following nerves carries information to the brain? That is sensory nerves. And in the human brain, thinking is done in cerebrum. Okay. Now next one is, if your hand accidentally touches a hard glass, so suddenly you remove it, and the hand, that order is given by spinal cord. Thus dash nerves arises from the brain and spread throughout the head, that is cranial nerve. Okay. So next one is fill in the blanks. A system made up of nerve cells, that is called the nerve, and control and coordination in higher animals, that takes place through nervous system as well as hormonal system. So this hormonal system, that is called the endocrine system. The main organs of nervous system are brain, spinal cord and neurons, and the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. And you know that cerebellum, that is the part of brain which help in the maintaining the body posture. Next one is spinal cord begins in constitution with medulla and extends downward. Next one is the spinal cord. You know, spinal cord, it begins in the continuation with the medulla, which is the lower part of the brain, and then your spinal cord extends downwards. And the shorter fibers on the body of a neuron, that are called the dendrites. So these structures, they are called the dendrites, and here axons, and this one is cell body, and in center there is nucleus. All the nerves of the body together make up the peripheral nervous system. Students, next true false. So here all the true, but here the false statement, that is the cerebrum does not have fold and grooves. It is false, because cerebrum has folds and grooves. And the cerebrum is here shaped like a stem. It is false. And no nerves arises from the spinal cord. It is false, because there are nerves arises from the spinal cord. Okay. Now here label the different diagram, here different parts in the given diagram. So here first is here cervical vertebrae, then thoracic, then lumbar, and then sacrum. So cervical, thoracic, lumbar and sacrum, these are found here in the vertebral column. Next is label the parts of the brain. So this one is the cerebrum, then cerebellum, and here you are seeing this one is medulla oblongata, and it joined with the spinal cord. Now at question answers, students name the structure and functional unit. The structural and functional unit of nervous system, you know, that is neuron, and it consists of axon, cyton and dendrons. Your next question here, that draw a flow chart to show the classification. So here neurons are the cells in here nervous system that transmit information in other nerve cells, and muscles are gland cells. And classification here to nervous system, that is ANS and VNS, it is autonomic nervous system, and second is voluntary nervous system. Now the nervous system, it takes in information and triggers reactions such as making or muscles move or causing up to feel pain. And for example, if we touch any hot plate, so suddenly we pull our hands back, and our nerves simultaneously send pain signals to our brain. Next question is, what is a neuron? Draw a level diagram. And what is synapse? So here represent it. So the nervous system is made up of special cells, and that special cells, that means unit of cells, that are called the neurons. And parts of neurons that are the axon, cell body, this is cell body, this is axon, and next is dendrites, and nucleus is found there. So cell body, it is also known as soma. It carries the information and maintain the structure of the neuron. This one is the function of cell body, and it provide the energy to the cell. And axon, that is long tail like structure I have shown you. So axon here, it joins the dendrites of other neurons, and next is dendrites. So you know that dendrites are the fibrous roots here branch out from the cell body, and these dendrites, they receive the messages or signals from the axon of other neurons. Okay. Now synapse. So the axon passes the impulses to another neurons through a junction. You know, suppose that this one is the axon terminal. So here a junction is passes there, a junction is found there, and that is called the synapse. And at the synapse, a chemical substance is produced at the end of the axon. Okay, on here of one of the neuron that reaches to the here other neurons with the help of dendrites. Okay, so like this axon will join with other dendrites. This means these dendrites, these are of other neurons. Okay, and therefore the information signal is transmitted through one neuron to another neurons by the synapse. Okay, next is here you are seeing here spinal cord. So here the spinal cord is divided into neck here, thoracic and lumbar regions, and there are 4 major parts. That is divided into 4 major parts here. So the vertebrae, joints, discs, and nerves. So the spinal cord, the column of nerve fibers responsible for sending and receiving the messages from the brain, runs throughout the through the spinal cord. Next one is neurons. So you know, neuron is the nerve cell. It is also known as nerve cell, and it is unit of nervous system. So it is known as basic unit of our nervous system, and neurons have a cell body, dendrites, and axons. About this you have seen in figure. So that is all about the explanation of the notes of this chapter. So hope that you have understood it better and you will complete it and learn properly. Thank you everyone.